पातळाय नडवयलो हांव नको कितें म्हाका सोल आमी घरां बुश्यां कारपा येयलो आसतो न्हू गायज तुमी जाणा हांवूय मातशें सेलिब्रिटी आसो सेलिब्रिटी लेगून म्हजे बरें मातशें यू नो कितें म्हणटात ते इंटरेक्ट कोत्ताय मातशें आनी मातशें हँडसमूय न्हू हांव सॉरी गायज हांव म्हणना तुमी म्हणटा हांवें आमगे इंस्टाग्रामाचेर एक लिंक पोस्ट केला मे फ्लावर तेगेलो व्लॉग चोय म्हूण आनी जे कोणें चोयल ना प्लीज चोय आनी चोयन जालें म्हणटा तुमकां कितें क्वेश्चन आहा जाल्यार म्हाका क्वेश्चन करे कमेंटां घाले आनी मागीर हांव रिप्लाय करतलो तुमकां.
हे गायज कशें आहाय तुमी सगळीं सजमता हाय म्हूण बरी आमी हाय बरी हांव मसी टायगर गायज मसी ना मसी मातशें भायर सरला दादा आनी मामी बारबर मातशें भायर सरलो आहा तो सो हांव वचोना म्हाका मातशें काम आहलोलें सो तेका लागून हांव वचोना आनी सेकंडली हांवें म्हणलें जाय जाणां न्हू मुकडे परफ्युमा मुगे कलेक्शन दाखय म्हूण सांगलोलें ओके माय परफ्यूम कलेक्शन सो हांवें म्हणलें ती गेलो हाय न्हू योदान म्हणलें हांव व्लॉग स्टार्ट करतलें आनी मुगे परफ्यूम कलेक्शन तुमकां दाखयता म्हूण ओके आनी चड ना दिसतू सो तुमकां हांव दाखयता ओके आय लव परफ्यूम्स सगळीं जाणाय मुगे फॅमिली सो स्पेशली मर्सी ही वील ऑलवेज बाय मी परफ्यूम्स तेका लायक म्हाका परफ्यूम्स गिफ्ट करपाक सो बरें बरें आहाय ते म्हाका तो सद्दां हाडटा ओके आनी थोडे एक्सप्लेन करता थोडे गिफ्ट्स ते सो हांवें अजून ओपन करूं नाय बट बारबो करया आनी दाखयता ओके सो गायज हेंचो मुगे कलेक्शन सांगलें तुमकां चड ना बट थोडेशें बट हेंचोय ओके सो थोडे एक्सप्लेन करता तुमकां हुंयच म्हाका मुगे फेवरेट ते आनी हुंयच गिफ्ट्साकूय पडलो तेय दाखयता हे पार्टी आनी सगळे ओके सो हेचोय परफ्यूम मुगेले सगळीं जाताली परफ्यूम कलेक्शन दाखय 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 म्हूण तेका लागून हांवें दाखयलां ओके सो गायज चोय कमेंट ऑफ द डे करपा मनीस हाडले बट धांवता आयजूय रावपा लायक ना तेका ते कॅमेरा म्हणल्यार भिरान दिसता सो से हाय गायज हाय एवरीवन मिस यू इफ यू डोंट शो यू वन डे ऑन द व्लॉग तेका लागून ओके सो से बाय बाय ओके सो गायज चोयला आसता तुमी टायगर आयज दाखयल ना न्हू हांव बिजी आहलो न्हू तुमकां परफ्यूम दाखोवपाकू सो तेका दाखोवपा मेळना ओके सो तेका लागून आतां दाखयल तेका सो द कमेंट ऑफ द डे इज फ्रॉम Albertina says hi Mercy and Alisha and my tiger good morning asu Mercy mashe help kor Alishak really your sasupa is very funny take care of tiger to tell you frankly no one does vlogs like you I can miss other vlogs but not yours when I'm off on Saturday and Sunday I watch your vlogs early morning God bless your Sasumai and Sasupai so sweet words she said. How is Annika? Take care. Love you all, Mercy and Alisha and Tiger. Bless you all. Watching from London, Hounslow. Albertina, thank you so much for your comment.
Thank you, Albertina. Thank you so much for the lovely comment. Mogasu.
And yeah, Annika is fine. Sogli hai bori. Thank you for asking. Annika mashe actually thondi zalo ha, but she's okay. Also guys सगळ्यागे कमेंट लायक जाता आमकां सो थँक यू फॉर ईच एंड एवरी कमेंट वी गेट ऑन आवर व्लॉग सगळे लायक जाताय बट वी ओनली कॅन चूज वन एज अ कमेंट ऑफ द डे गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल आनी अशें कमेंट करीत राय आमकां बरें दिसता आमी सगळीं हॅप्पी जाताय कमेंट्स वाचून डेली आनी रिप्लाय कोत्ताय आमी ओके सो थँक यू वन्स अगेन वी लव यू ऑल सो गायज चोयला आसता तुमी मुगे परफ्यूम कलेक्शन बट हांव तुमकां मुगे फेवरेट कितें आहाय ते दाखयता आनी कोण गिफ्टूय दिले ते पार्टी तेय तुमकां हांव दाखयतलें ओके आनी मुगे मोस्टली परफ्यूम सगळे फ्लोरल बिकॉज आय लायक फ्लोरल परफ्यूम्स 2-3 आसतले की यू नो अ बीट स्ट्रॉंगर सायड सो मातशें डिफरंट कंपेर्ड टू फ्लोरल बट आय लायक देम ऑल सो very important for me मुगे the perfumes हांव तुमकां दाखयतले 3 must perfumes मुको आसपाक जाय ओके the first one is Thierry Mugler okay which is Alien आणि हो मुगेलो मस्ट परफ्यूम. आय हॅव टू हॅव दिस परफ्यूम ऑल द टाइम ऑन मी. ऑल द टाइम म्हणल्यार लायक काबार जावपा जायना तो. ओके. आणि हुंय गेल जाल्यार न्हू गायज म्हाका विचारता वॉट डीड यू स्प्रे म्हूण. सो दिस इज माय फेवरेट परफ्यूम सिन्स 2014. ओके. 2014 हो मुगे फेवरेट परफ्यूम. मुगे एकले फ्रेंडान इंट्रोड्यूस केलो म्हाका. She used to work with me, so I teko question kelole what did you spray mon. Tedon son this one is my favorite. Okay. Konaku price जाण जावपा जाय जाल्यार न्हू it's 100 ml चे 127 or 30 pounds 130 or तशें कितें डिफरंट प्लेसीसाचे डिफरंट प्राइस आसताय गायज. सो तुम सोया कंपेर कराय आनी घेयाय तुमक जाय जाल्यार. ओके. सो दिस इज माय मस्ट परफ्यूम. I have to have this perfume. Okay. So first, second perfume is Chanel. Okay. My favorite Chanel perfume. So तुमचो इला असता काय त्याचा गिफ्ट केलेलो. तेगलो favorite. He always sprays Chanel. तेगे सदा Chanel favorite. So this is Mademoiselle Coco Mademoiselle. This is one of my, and this one is intense. Okay. Or intense hato. सो हो एक मुगेलो परफ्यूमचो कट्टो आसता तुमकां यूज करता आनी यूज करना ते तुमकां कट्टो गायज कित्याक थोडे आहाय ते यू नो आय डिडंट इवन सम ऑफ देम आय डिडंट यूज येट. सो हो एक इम्पॉर्टंट म्हाका. एंड तेच प्राइस न्हू 140 आय थिंक अराउंड 140 या 400 ml. ओके. हांव 100 ml मोस्टली मुगे परफ्यूम आहाय ते 100 ml हांव तुमकां ते दाखयता मोस्टली. नॉट ऑल ऑफ देम. या मागीर थर्ड परफ्यूम. हे 3 इम्पॉर्टंट परफ्यूम मुगेले. ओके. हेर दुसरे मुको हाय बट दे आर नॉट व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. तो काबार जाल जाल्यार आय डोंट हॅव टू बाय देम अगेन. सो Calvin Klein Eternity Moment. हांव नोको कोण यूज करता परफ्यूम बट दिस परफ्यूम इज माय डेली वेअर यूज. हुंय यूज करपा हुंय वयत जाल्यार हो यूज करता एनीवेअर लायक वर्क ओ लायक यू नो इट डिपेंड्स. मिटींग आहा जाल्यार मातशें दुसरो मारता but this is my daily wear perfume. This is my anek bottle ha muko hunchan गाडीकूय आसता मुको इसुली but असे this is a must perfume to have guys, girls tumka especially. This perfume is reasonable. It's around, it depends, 100 ml sai it's around 30 pounds. This one I paid 35 something. And it's again floral, like you know mostly me floral tum sangdesh kon. Okay. So this is a must perfume. Konaku reasonable perfume and daily user. This is the best perfume I think for maka. I like it. So tumge kite ha जाल्यार म्हाका सांगाय तुमगलो कसले perfume ha जाल्यार try करपा म्हाकाय सांगाय. Okay. So I can buy that. So these 3 are the important perfumes for me. These 3, 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, asamku jay mukode. So te jale. So the next perfume I will show you is from River Island. I recently गेला when I was Christmas shopping. दुसऱ्या सगळ्या शॉप करता जाणा हांव म्हाका गेलोलो because the guy over there said to me it's a perfume lots of people buy. तेन्ना कोण around जायते इतले घेवन गेला. I म्हणले is this a good perfume? Then he told me why don't you try because it's one of the best perfume in River Island and it's been there for years. कळ्ळें जायते तेंप जालो हे परफ्यूम हाय थिंगा. सो दॅट्स वॉट ही सेड वाय डोंट यू ट्राय. एंड गायज हांवें म्हणलें कामा बा मारू कोता येतलो हुंय बेश्टे शॉपाचेर वयत जाल्यार बा. सो आय पिक्ड इट अप एंड इट्स रियली नायस. ओके. तुमी ट्राय करा. इट्स स्वीट लायक यू नो फ्रुटी लायक स्वीट फ्रुटी लायक परफ्यूम एंड इट्स क्वायट नायस. आमगे यू नो चोडा लायक जातलो. ट्राय कराय लायक एवरीवन लायक यू नो ट्राय इट इवन टू गिफ्ट समबडी. इट्स रियली नायस. So guys like try korai. Okay. tum konaku gift karo jay jaल्यारूय baro ha and you can use it every day, you know. It's one of them. So and I paid 16 pounds for it. Okay. So soda pound taije. So you all can try that as well. So guys the next perfumes are from Ghost. Okay. They're quite good, reasonable price bhi asta thein. So but my favorite one is the Deep Night. Okay. So it's quite good this one. आणि हो मुगे जायते पाटी गाडयांकूय आसता दल्लोलो this perfume. So I have all of them are really good. तेगे Ghosta perfume बरे आसताय. There are different, like you can see, some are sweet, some like a bit stronger. Those perfumes. Oh, maka gift kelalo and dakoilolo. Randall and Samantha, they gifted me this. It's called Orb of Night Opulence gift set. Okay, Opulence gift set. And to be honest, I spray consona or perfume, but I'm gonna spray it now. Yeah, again, it's floral. I like all the floral perfumes, and they all know that. And boroba seta guys teka, and they're reasonable price, all of these, and I think it's nice to have these in your house, these perfumes. So kona zaizala try korai adayani. Yeah, yep, it's my type. So Sam and Randall, they know my choice. That's why they got me this. The next perfume I'll show you is, again, this one is Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs. So sweet. Okay, this one. Or obviously the bottle is it's a floral perfume. Okay, and it's around 80 pounds. Around, it depends on Zaite according different price aste guys, but this one is a 100ml bottle. Okay, so I use kilo, so that's also one of mine, you know, which I use. Then we have Perfect by Marc Jacobs. Again, this is like less than 100, but here, so AG bottle bari, so that is also a nice perfume. I have Givenchy. Okay, guys, मुझे ते pronounce करना सारखे करून जायना, and it's Angie or Demon. Okay, that's the perfume name from Givenchy. So that's the bottle. Okay, आणि एकाय बरोबर सेता. Again, as you all know, I like all floral perfumes mostly. But सगळे floral म्हणल्यार तुम मुडशे same वास येत काय म्हूण नो. It's all have different, like, you know, like thing. Some are rose, some are jasmine, some like different high. Okay, so this is also nice perfume. Oi mak masin gift kelalo. But I haven't used it much. Katta tumgache. But yeah, so korpa jayega is used. Masi tapoit makatu. Amak guys dukh zata te kabar zata. Okay, I actually don't know the price of this, but I think it's again 100 plus. Okay, सगळे आमगे perfume 100 ml नंते, so मातशे price मातशे high असता ते, so it's 100 plus that one. What else do I have? Oh, K.Ali. Okay, that's a vanilla royal. Okay, that's another nice one. This bottle is there, guys. See, so glows ata bari. It's a golden bottle. Smells nice again. Vanilla flavor. Most like, you know, vanilla flavored smell. And bro, this is also nice perfume to have. What else? Last year, I brand cannot sell na. Amge can't go in. But last year, Masi got me these, and they're called Narciso. Okay, Narciso. Yeah. And this one is the Ambre, Narciso Rodriguez Ambre. And guys, the smell of this, I sort of spray koriosna, kita mak borodista deswas. And it's floral, has a bit of, like, you know, jasmine smell to it. Like, it's actually quite nice. Guys, itu bonna tumka eshkon full sarki detail diupa, okay, like eshkon, like the smell and na, but whatever I like the smell, like, you know, and main mutte ropa uroz ayo when you spray it, and you know, it makes you feel fresh, and this is one of them, you know, it's very fresh when you spray this. And I have another one, Narciso Rodriguez again. Okay, I can now Marcin Mark introduced Kelte last year. He's try, like, you know, he tried it and he said it's nice. And like you know, they also, these are like 90 ml bottles. Guys, sorry, this one also was 90 ml, 90 ml bottle. So वही 90 ml दोनों ही. And this is Narciso Rodriguez powder. Okay, so it's like that powdery, you know, like smell ha to eka. And then bottle legun baro this time, guys. And they I didn't know the brand first. Must introduce kelte don mak kodla ani bare. आणि वास्तविक बेस्ट येता गायज. आय डोंट नो इफ एनीवन वॉन्ट्स टू ट्राय देम. आणि थोडे जाणाय जाल्यार कमेंटान सांगाय म्हाका. ओके, आनी हांव हुंयची नांव प्रोनाउन्स रॉंग कोत जाल्यारूय सांगाया. या, सो दॅट्स वन ऑफ देम. आय यूज देम. अशें करून बॉक्साक घालून दवरता. तो जालो. The other one I have, and I love the bottle, like the shape of the bottle of this. And again, oil mak machine introduced kelolo, but I really like it. It's called Mont Blanc Signature. Okay, and guys, a soap pori nath man nai. So it was, I'm not sure if it was a limited edition, but a soap pori to kat घेवपा गेल्या मेळना. But केन्नाय म्हाका कोण मेळटा आनी तुमकां वास घेवपा जाय आनी तुम मेळना न्हू जाल्यार म्हाका सांगाय. ओके, it's so nice, guys. You all तुम कोणा मेळटा जाल्यार ओके, ना जाल्यार केन्नाय तुम म्हाका मेळपा हाय आनी तुम वास घेवपा जाय न्हू जाल्यार सांगाय. इट इज nice, really nice. All these perfumes, no guys, lasting. They last. So एक पाट मारले न्हू उरले न्हू जाल्यार कळटा तुका that's a good perfume. वासूय बरो येता आनी लास्टूय जाता. then they are good perfumes. बेस्ट थोडे परफ्यूम आसताय ते एश कोन लास्ट जायनाय ते. You know, like बेश्टे cheap perfumes आसताय ते. Even this one, eternity, you know, the eternity moment. Last जाता उत्ता रोपाचे, like बेश्टे आंगाचे स्प्रे केले उत्ता तो, you know. So that's another one. What else I have? Okay, so this is another one of them. It's a very old perfume. Zait tempa, zaito log geta, zaito log matta. Like, you know, like zait amge go, like especially this white people, like they love this perfume. Jado by Dior. Okay, so it's really nice perfume as well. Guys, mukano tej dakti bottle hai miniature dakhoi tumka. So it's actually a nice bottle as well. So ilasta tumi zaijanaka astalo perfume. It's a really nice perfume, that one. And guys, I'll show you all this. Yeah, I cannot use kelna, but it's actually so cute. Look at it, kediti. So that's another perfume I like. Sogla like zata guys. Maka perfume kasle diya hai tumi. I like them. This one was given by Shamin or Shaminandila Maka. It's from Zara. Okay, so she gave me this perfume. A party Christmas ko dilo tha Maka wo, and it's quite good. I liked it. Daily use marwa borha ho, and the price for this is $22.99, which is not bad. And it's a 100 ml bottle, I think. 180 ml bottle. Guys, masti ason dahlo mashe fokad marpacho kitkite olon. But so yeah, it's azun el nai. It's like a vanilla. Borilo ha te jai so itale. Guys, itu perfume zale was bolla naka. Yeah, it's like that vanilla, you know, smell. And bro, it's actually very nice, this perfume also. I'm glad. It's called the Majestic Opulence. Yeah, Opulence. Yeah, Majestic Opulence perfume. I'm sure Zara, I'm not sure where Shamin got it from, but it's quite nice. I liked it. You know, it can go in my daily collection, Sodamarpa collection. Okay. The other perfume I want to show you is Prada. Okay. So muka oseo itla ulla ha itun ani ki ha. Okay. And it's the Paradox. Okay. Prada Paradox, not the intense one. but it's like, you know, the normal one, the original Prada Paradox. Okay, I liked it, but you know, तुगे एक favorite असता तो मैं उत्ता तेश करिश खबर ती. But it's a nice perfume, this one. Lots of people like it. हांव नका आमगे गोंयकार चेवणाको आसतलो जाय जाणा कडे कोण कोणाक आहा तो कमेंट कराया म्हाका. I used to watch these YouTube reels, and there's this guy to inside asta, what is your favorite perfume? Zaiti amge chora, like, you know, like girls, they go for this perfume, they like this perfume. Okay, yeah, I like it, but I have different mashe makte like zate and poil dakilo te. So I think another favorite of mine now, or dakil tumka, is the same to spare to is Gucci Flora. आमगे गोवान म्हाका हे पाटी क्रिसमसा गिफ्ट केला. आमगे जाय जाणांन चोयला व्लॉगाचे आम दाखयलोलो, and I am in love with this perfume. And guys, हांव चड यूज करपा ना. Oh yeah, this, sorry, I forgot to tell you, this is also 100 plus. Okay, I think it's around 140 for this perfume, 90 ml though, and it's around 140 for that one. Again, this is the same. This is around what, 140, 160, or but it's a new one. So masi gail maka a party then Christmas gift kela maka. And guys, tum katta the bottle ikut saila floral. So it's really nice, and all sarcum, and it's intense also. And guys, tum jana ao आता चोड मारपाना कित्याक मागीर तो काबा जाता म्हाका दूख जाता. बट मात्तोलें पूण एशें कोन्न न्हू. मातशी तापयत म्हाका सद्दां, तुका कितें परफ्यूम आहाय तूं तेच कित्याक यूज करून काबार कोत्ता म्हूण. सो या, सो गायज, हो एक म्हगेलो फेवरेट जाला आतां. ओके, or I can add this to my list कित्याक म्हाका उगडासू आसना हो आहा म्हूण मुको आतां. And Mercy had got me another one. मुगे व्लॉगाचे आमगे डेली कोण व्लॉग चोयता तें चोयले हे परफ्यूम, but this is a nice one as well. You know, Gucci Bamboo. Oi baro yeta. This was, I think, around 70 pounds, 67, 70, and it is 75 ml. Okay, 75 ml though. So this is also a nice perfume. Lots of you know, women use this perfume, Gucci Bamboo. Baro yeta oi vasteze baro yeta. Guys, I was share and zala was घेऊन even if I want to tell you all the smell ko nesh kon was घेऊन because I na ani. So that's another one. So guys, all perfume I maka gift kela recently. So guys, it's called a Burberry, okay, for her, and again it's a floral. So katta sa tumka, it's rose. This one is a rose one, and it's quite nice. And when I go to the perfume shop, timak pisha katte. So I might get that. Okay, and this is also a nice perfume. Not as great as you know, the others, but it was on offer. So temak munpalale tuk zayo mun. I'm like, okay, fine. So I picked it up. Okay, makna munpabad this na, especially the first kotta ite adorna. I was like, okay, fine, I can add it to my collection. So it's a proper rose. I can smell rose to it. So I was like, okay, fine, I'll have it. So Tozalo, this perfume is a gift, okay, and it's called Hanin Al Shazib Oud perfume. It's quite nice, oud perfume. I like oud perfume, but not as much. But it's a, look at the bottle. Okay, it's okay, but it's quite good. And that's the bottle of it. Yeah, it's fine. Can I ek don part mal to aaya, so no, but okay. So guys, also ek perfume gift kelalo mage birthday, and this bottle is 60 ml. Okay, this is very cute this time. Okay, it's called the Jimmy Choo Fever, and it's quite good. And again, this is 60 pounds, 60 or 70 okay, 70 I think, 70 pounds, yeah. and it was a gift, but I actually liked it too. Perfume कसले दिला, I'm happy even if it's cheap and if it smells nice. I like it. Eshkon munna ki expensive also जाय पण बसिगे taste सुद्धा expensive. आणि so guys, हो एक म्हाका कोणे gift केलेलो. It's called Fantasy by Britney Spears. Like a rose smell as well to this. Like okay, oh mak kon dilolo gift kelolo. Okay, so that's one. And then I have another Zara. I can't remember where I got it, but it's Zara Rose. Oh, Zara to gelo this mak a long bag. Say it lolo ha. To ek zalo. And here we have the Victoria's Secret. It's called a Very Sexy Sea. This is also a nice perfume to daily use. It's nice, this one. I have this Black Opium by YSL. So guys, you can see it. This is one of a nice perfume. Why Marpa ko bon kele so? Like literally, like since it's gone down. So bon kela Marpa ko. But yeah, it's there still, but this one also is expensive, 100 plus. It's a long old perfume, this one of mine. So tozalo guys, anek very important and last the Lolo perfume. Now actually I haven't opened this and I haven't tried it also before. Or mak to Shaminan gift kelo Christmas, okay, again Christmas kelalo no birthday kelolo, sorry. Or Shaminan gift kelo maka birthday, okay. Haven't tried it before, but the bottle looks really nice. I'd say, okay. So again, this is from this is also Ghost or Herb of Night Elixir. Okay, guys, my pronunciation bare na ashe but let me smell it. Oh, let me do it here again. Like, oh, this smells so nice as well. Ghosta perfumes, no guys, bare atai ani reasonably astai, and they are really nice. This one also is nice perfume. I first time try kela, but it's actually really nice. Okay, and last but not the least, guys, मुझे video याद दौड़ जाला मक मस्ती दोन ना guys. This is a very special perfume. Same perfume मुझे धाकटे बोईने Anikan anu gift केलेलो for her wedding. Okay, to use it on her wedding day. And it's called Christine Dior. Okay, and the name of the perfume is Rose Kabuki. Okay, guys, itu borwa seta itu tum kalla sale Rose Kabuki milla, like the smell of it is more of like rose smell. Okay, it's so nice, but it's very expensive, guys. Oil polish munnu 40, like this is like a 50 ml. Yeah, 50 ml. It was around 175 pounds. Okay, nearly 200 pounds, nearly, for the such small bottle. So ती सारखी important, guys. How इली मात तीच पावलती केन्ना like special occasions only. So yeah, this is one of the expensivest perfume I have here. इंगा सगळ्याच्या so guys, सोयला असता तुमगे perfume आणि सांगाय म्हाका कमेंटा तुमकां कशें दिसलें तें मुगे perfume. Okay, आणि कितें क्वेश्चन्स आहाय जाल्यार विचाराय. गायज, हांव एक्सपर्ट न्हू परफ्युमाचो, बट म्हाका जेन्ना कितें वास लायक जालो, इट्स चीप एक्सपेन्सिव, इट डजंट मॅटर, हांव तें घेता. ओके, आनी मोस्टली म्हाका मस्ती घेता सगळे एक्सपेन्सिव घेता. तो केन्ना धाकटी लायक सॉयल 16 पावंडा हांवें तो घेयला न्हू, तो केन्ना घेवपाचो असो ना दिसता म्हाका परफ्यूम. But when I like something, I pick it up. It doesn't matter who is on. Primaka legun aha zale haंव वचोन घेवपी अशें करून मुगेलें. It doesn't matter the price, but if I like the smell, I buy it. But most of the perfumes I have are very like lasting. तू एक पाट सकाळ मार, it will last you the day. The रोपाचे धुसो तुगे उत्तलो. If you wash, maybe it might go, but उत्तलो until you wash it. गायज आणि अगेन आय एम सेइंग कितें क्वेश्चन जाल्यार सांगाय आणि गायज स्ट्रिक्टली दिस व्लॉग ऑफ माय परफ्यूम कलेक्शन इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ यू ऑल. तुम म्हाका करूं लायल म्हूण हांवें केला ओके. नाल्यार थोडे म्हणपाक शकताय की अरे कितें परफ्यूम शो ऑफ करता दाखयता म्हूण बट नो हांव फाल्यां दाखोवपा आसो ना. बट ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ यू ऑल तुम म्हाका लायक यू नो रिक्वेस्ट केला म्हूण हांवें तुमकां दाखयला ओके. सो आय होप यू लायक इट.
सो गायज कशी आहे तुम्ही समजता सगळी बरी आहे मग. आलिशान तुमका हॅलो हाय म्हणलं असतले आणि हांव मातशें आसो ना हांव मातशें भायर सरलो. हांव दाडा आणि सासमाय तिगाय भायर सरली आतां येला वचय. एक्चुअली व्लॉग हांव स्टार्ट करपा आहलो बट मागीर म्हाका मातशें काम पडलें. दाडा म्हणून मातशें भायर सरपा जाय. सो गायज आमी गेली आणि सो गायज आलिशान ब्लॉग स्टार्ट केला आसतलो तुमचो येयलो आसतलो आणि हांव येता म्हणल्यार हाके सगळे पातोळाय नडयलो. हांव नोको कितें तें म्हाका सगळें आमी घरां बुश्यां कारपा येयलो आसतो न्हू. ते बुश्यां कार नाय ते चेअर व्हरपा आनी सूट बूट ऑन मागीर थोड्योश्यो बश्यो काशे बांदताय आख्या पातोळ्यान बसून आहा हांव नोको कितें दाखयला आनी कितें न्हू. बट हेचय हांव सासमाय आणि सासपाय म्हणटा वॉशरुमा गेलो येतलो. सो हांव नोको कितें दाखयला आनी कितें न्हू. बट एनीवेज सॉरी. सो काय आपले परफ्यूम हात लावपा लेगू जाय ना सारखें दाखयला आसतलें सांगिल्लें आसता आपले कलेक्शन. हांवें खंयच विचारलें ते दाखयलें मग. सो गायज हितू परफ्यूम न्हू हांवें कलेक्शन दिलें तेका भरपूर. एनीवेज म्हाका लायक आलिशा यू नो खंयचो परफ्यूम लायक जाता आनी कितें तें खंयच सांगत तो परफ्यूम हाडून दिता तेका. You know, I will tell you one thing. One of my favorite is this Narcisco. Okay, Narcisco Rodriguez. Okay, is one of the best perfume guys. You know, guys, तुम मुटोले म्हाका परफ्यूम इतले कितको खबर आहा काय मो. You know, एअरपोर्टार आसतालो न्हू. I mean, I used to work on the airport in Starbucks. You know, व्हडले सेलिब्रिटी येताय तुम जाणाय आसतले. Feligans is one of the expensive perfume as well. Narcisco and ते सारखे व्हडले टॉप ब्रँड यू नो. अँड सेलिब्रिटीज येताय ते केन्ना आमगे कॉफी शॉपा येताले यू नो. यू कॅन स्मेल वेन दे कम कळटा तुका. देन समटायम्स आय हॅज टू आस्क लायक नायस स्मेल कित स्प्रे केलो तुवें. देन दे से लायक दे टेल यू ओके. सो गायज तुमी जाणाय हांवूय मातशें सेलिब्रिटी आसा. वेन आय एम दे यू नो सेलिब्रिटी लेक येन मुझे बरें मातशें यू नो कितें म्हणटा ते इंटरॅक्ट कोत्ताय मातशें. इतली कॅपॅसिटी आहा म्हगेली तुमी जाणाय आसतली. आनी मातशें हँडसमूय न्हू हांव. सॉरी गायज हांव म्हणना तुमी म्हणटा ओके. सो गायज तेका लागून न्हू म्हाका परफ्युमाची हें आहा. हांव जाणा परफ्युमा कितें आनी मातशें बारीकशें म्हायती आहा एक्सपिरियन्स आहा ओके. आनी यू शो न्हू ओके गायज समजता तेणें कितें दाखयलां आनी कितें तुमकां लायक जालो आसता म्हूण ओके. आणि किती सांगला ओके गायज. सो आलिशान तर इतली बरें तुमकां एक्सप्लेन केला आनी इतलो बरो तर ब्लॉग केला म्हाका दिसता तुमकां आनी कांय सांगपाक गरज ना ओके. आनी गायज आनी बारीक सांगो सोदता तुमी कोण जाय जाणांन चोयला आसतले हांवें आमगे इंस्टाग्रामाचेर एक लिंक पोस्ट केला मे फ्लावर तेगेलो ब्लॉग चोय म्हूण. आनी जे कोणें चोयल ना प्लीज चोय. आनी चोयन जालें म्हणटा तुमकां कितें क्वेश्चन आहा जाल्यार म्हाका क्वेश्चन करे कमेंटां घाले आनी मागीर हांव रिप्लाय करतलो तुमकां ओके. आनी हे ब्लॉगाचे हांव लिंक घालतलो. आनी प्लीज ते मे फ्लावर ते ब्लॉग केला न्हू तेगेलो मातशें ब्लॉग चोय. एक्चुअली हांव सांगपा आहलो बट एनीवेज पयलीं तुमी ब्लॉग चोय अंडरस्टँड जाय आनी मागीर तुमकां तकल्यां कितें आहा क्वेश्चन आहा आनी कितें आहा जाल्यार मातशें कमेंटां विचारे ओके. मागीर उरलो हांव तुमकां हय प्लीज डू वॉच हर ब्लॉग एज वेल ओके.
लिंक घालतली डिस्क्रिप्शन ओके.
आनी सांगता चड म्हणजे तुमकां किल्लोसो टायम लेगून काडय आनी तेगेलो ब्लॉग चोय ओके. आनी मागीर तुमकां कितें कमेंट आहा वो कितें विचारपा आहा तें म्हाका विचारे ओके. देन आय विल एक्सप्लेन ओके. सो गायज समजता आयचो ब्लॉग तुमकां लायक जालो आसता मू. लायक जालो जाल्यार प्लीज लायक करे शेअर करे आनी सबस्क्रायब बी करे.
थँक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द व्लॉग गायज.
थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. आनी समजता तुमकां आलिशागे परफ्यूम लायक जालो आसता कितें विचारपा आहा जाल्यार तेका विचारे तें तुमकां आन्सर करतले ओके. सो गायज मोग आसून मेळया तुमकां फाल्यां म्हगेल्या न्यू ब्लॉगान. टील देन गायज बाय.